Hello everybody! Today we're going to see how I draw grill count. Okay, pencils first and then Sharpie. So if you don't want to watch the pencil portion of the video where I sketch the entire thing out, look in the description and you'll find a link that you can click on that will take you to the Sharpie portion of the video. I'll even include one for color. But for those of you that are going to stick around, I'm going to start off with a quick sketch for myself and get us going. Okay, this one shouldn't be too hard, I think. Maybe I won't use the Sharpie, or the straight edge for the handle. I was thinking about using it, but I think I can pull it off. I think I can get away with it. Okay, 2, 3. Again, I'm just eyeballing it here, so maybe that's what I'm saying. Since I'm eyeballing most of this, I don't see why I don't just eyeball the handle. You know, as long as I get it straight, that's really all I'm worried about. Well, close enough. Okay, so now give me a second to figure out this wiring. This is kind of crazy. Okay, here's a good place to start. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go up, over, back behind. You can see through there. It's going to come around, go in there, and that's where it doesn't make sense, because it's like it comes back through there into this one, back behind that, through here, and then through there for that. Crazy. But see, this one is the one that I don't know where it goes on the other end. Maybe it wraps around like that. It's hard to see. I'm looking at a picture from the store, so that's why I can only use so much of it. Okay, I think that's about enough. Like I said, the sketch is good enough, and I think I'll be able to build on that with the rest of it. So let's erase some of these lines, just because I only need the faint lines to tell me where I'm putting this. I've sketched the entire thing out, so I'm happy with that much. I just got to try to figure the rest out. So, alright, so let's welcome everybody that skipped to this Sharpie section. Welcome, skippers. Welcome to the Sharpie portion of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because I do this every single day, and you can play along and draw and have fun and have a good day and draw every single day. I'm going to be using a Sharpie fine point and a Sharpie pen, mostly the fine point, with a pen in there for a few little things. So I've sketched the entire thing out. I think I'm just going to jump straight to the Sharpie fine point, and I'm going to follow my sketch, and just bear with me, because it's wrapped around and through. So I had to sketch it out and try to figure this out. So I'm going to draw the barb parts first, and then build the wire. Okay, so I'm going to draw one like this. And I guess that's what I could use a Sharpie for, is to make a nice contrast of the wire wrapped around like that. Thick and thin, my friends, thick and thin. Okay, so let's see. Let's do another one here. And I'm not really counting how many times I go through. I should, to make sure I have the right bumps on the other end, but I'm not worried about it. No big deal. Let's see. This one's right here. Like that. And again, I'm following my sketch, so I'm not just throwing them haphazard. I know exactly what I'm doing, even though that looks better than that, so maybe I don't know what I'm doing, if you know what I mean. But I have it planned out, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So I'm going to do one like this. I grabbed a pencil, like that's going to help. Okay. Always cover your Sharpie, but I know I'm about to pick it right back up. That's why I'm not worried about it. All right. Okay. No, one more. Okay, so another one over here. Okay, that should be enough for the front that I can draw the first part and build on that. Okay, so I'm just going to connect the dots now. So I'm going to draw a wire kind of coming through, and it's okay if it's not perfect. I even made a little jaggedy right there, you know, because I mean, it's all made up, you know. This isn't real, so no one's gonna say, hey, that's not how it's supposed to be, or that's not the way it would bend. Yes, it is. This is how I'm drawing. This is how I draw. You draw how you draw, and we'll meet somewhere in between. So don't let anybody tell you this is not right, you know. All right. Okay, so now this is going to go into the top of the spatula. So now, nope, I was going to say I can draw the actual spatula now, but I can't. I can't draw the outline yet. I've got to keep going with this what I'm doing here, because I have to draw what's over the front first. You know what I mean? I can't draw through this line, because that's, as it's weaving through it, it's on the top layer. So I think I can do it now. Okay, so let's do it. Let's draw the spatula like this. Okay, and at least I can draw the outer edge. That'll give me my edges. And I'm going to draw a little crack in it right there. I'm going to do something like that. Keep going across. Like that. Okay, so we've got the outer edge. All right, so let's see. I got to draw. Let's see, that's going through there. It's coming through. There's no. The nice thing is there's no barb on the inside of this wire, so I can just draw like that for there's one right there for the wire that goes through, because it's kind of meshed through, you know. Let's see, I've got one right there like that. Ooh, my Sharpie's making this weird two-layered line. That's kind of cuckoo. Okay, so this one I can do like this. And this one's gonna go over here. Turn up right there. That might be it. I think that's it for the front. So now I can draw the inside little grill parts. I don't know what the word I'm looking for, but let's do it. Okay, so I'm just going to draw like this, just to kind of give myself a top to know that I'm even right there. And let's do the same thing down here, that I want to put the center about right there. So I'm going to do the other sides like this and like this. Okay, that makes sense. So now we're just going to connect. That's it. Come down here. Oops. I say that's it, but apparently I didn't do it very well, huh? That's okay. No big deal. Alright, so same thing. Work our way down. Don't draw through the lines you just spent all that time trying to meticulously place in there. Just work your way down. Not quite 100% perfect, but that's okay. No big deal. All right, so now I can continue the line like that, back behind, which is on the other side, you know? Okay. See, this one goes through here, like this, back behind like that. back behind this one. Can't really see that edge. Behind there to connect to this one, like that. And so this is the only one I was saying, just kind of, it doesn't make sense as to where, oops, lost my picture. It doesn't make sense as to where it goes. You know, where it wraps to itself, I guess, or connects to its buddy. So we'll just do like that, like it's connecting on its own. Same thing there. Oh well. In here, we're just gonna draw one of those barbs like that to where it goes up in there. And that's it for the top part. So now we just finished this down here. This is what I was saying. Since I did all that by hand, I say we do this by hand too. So I'm gonna do, my paper's warping because my hands were sweating all over this. Sorry about that. So I'm just gonna draw down, and I've got it kind of wrapped. So I'm doing something like this, just to give it a notched edge, just so I can do something like this and wrap it. And it looked, you know, a little, well, I was going to say a little not smooth like this is about to be, but I can't guarantee this is going to be either because I'm just going to eyeball it. So let's just draw straight down, see what happens. Like that. That's not too bad. So let's try to do another one right beside it, parallel. Come down, connect like that. That's not bad. Hopefully yours came out good too. I'm not going to complain. Okay, and then we're just going to flare out this end just a little bit. Flared, and then connect it. And that's it. I say we take care of the rest with color. So that is grill count. So here is my colored version. You could do it however you like. I just thought I'd show you how I decided to color it. If you'd like to color it like this, you can always pause the video here and use the coloring techniques that I used, or you can just make it your own. Remember, this is how I draw. You draw how you draw. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures of how I draw. Plus, don't forget to hit that notification button to be updated about each new video.